Good morning, students. Today, during first period, we are going to start experimental learning. The topic is impact of British rule India. I have already taught in the class and explained each and everything. We discussed about our social reformers who brought many changes in our society. Especially this responsibility had taken by the our educated members of the society, that is the middle class. Clear? So what was the impact of British rule when Britishers introduced the education policy in India? Of course, its impact in a both way, that is the positive and the negative. So whatever the social evils were existed in our society, how our reformers realize without this evils eradication, we cannot develop, we cannot be united, and we cannot fight against Britishers. This realization, realized by all the reformers. Clear that? So in the experimental learning, I can choose any raw number and related to this topic, whatever the contents are mentioned here. So you have to, whatever you know about that content, particular content, you have to explain in your way. So now I would like to start the raw number three. I think 3 is absent. 3 is absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now raw number 57 Ans. Okay, clap for him. Ans is totally shocked because he has not prepared. But I want to see, मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कि in what way he explained, because whatever you learn in the classroom. So it is it is remember or not in your mind. So what topic you will choose, what content you will choose? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as architect of Indian Constitution. He is also known as Baba Saheb. He is untouchable because he is from lower caste, and he had to sit alone in the classroom on other side, and
Very good, very good attempt by the who? Ans Raj. Sit down, please. Now Sanskriti, stand up. Your topic is, what was the positive, either the positive or negative impact?
The positive impact. The English language united the people of India. It created awareness through the social and religious reforms. Educated women like Sarojini Naidu joined the national movements. It created ideals of equality, liberty, fraternity, and nationalism, democracy.
Sit down. Yes, very good. Now Adhisri.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a social reformer. He was born in 1891. He was also known as Baba Saheb. He led millions of oppressed people to lead a life of self-respect and dignity. Born into a poor, so-called untouchable family, he had to sit in a corner of the classroom on a mat. He was the founder of the newspaper Mook Nayak, leader of the dumb, to champion the rights of the so-called untouchables. He founded the Bahishrit Hitkarani Sabha and set up hostels for the Dalits and the upliftment of the Dalits. He is also known as the architect of India's constitution.
Very good. Now in this row, I will choose. Sit down. Tejas.
The British did not like the customs and traditions of Indians. They considered as social impacts. During the British period, Arya Samaj was introduced and contribution of the educations.
Okay. Very good. Now, to whom I will choose this row? All are very silence. Okay. कहीं मैम मेरा नाम तो नहीं कॉल कर लेगी. So, सबसे अलग ROC, stand up.
Negative impact of British rule in India. It created a difference between English educated Indians and the rest of Indians. British textbooks glorified the British administration and philosophy. Education becomes the priority of those who couldn't afford it, and hence only the rich Indians benefited. Thank you.
Okay, very good. ROC. Now the next one, Sanskriti. I think Sanskriti has already done this task. Now the Srishti. She is the most active student of this class. Okay.
Negative impact of British education. Rich Indians could afford this education because the British administration took a very high fee of that school, so rich Indians could afford it, and poor Indians or rest of Indians can't afford it. Second is that British textbooks glorified only British education, philosophy, tradition, etc. Whereas Indian culture and Indian literature were not glorified by British. It was prevalent from the Indians. Last will be that it created division between English educated Indians and the rest of Indians. Thank you.
Very good, Srishti. Okay, so whose turn will come? This row? No. This row? I think no. This row? No. So those who haven't replied and not knowing the answer of the particular content of this topic, they will write the question on an orange paper. And those answers you are knowing and you can reply confidently, you will write on a red paper. Is it clear? So both the question and answer, you write it. It means that red paper shows that you know the question and the answer both. Okay? And the orange paper indicates you that you have to do work on a particular question because you don't know. Okay? You have to work. So the orange color will indicate you to work on the particular question, particular content. Now the green, you know but little. Okay? So you have to know more about the particular content. So you choose the green paper. So Anay is looking me, है ना? So Anay को उठाते हैं. Give the chance to Anay. Stand up, please.
Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Swami Dayananda Saraswati was a great sage, a philosopher, and a society reformer. He established Arya Samaj Society and also established Shuddhi system. He also opposed intermarriage. He he was a great supporter of child marriage system and women education.
Okay, thank you, Anay. So this task is completed now. Okay. Now one more boy is left. I think he will, of course, will explain in a better way. That is a hers. Stand up.
Social impact. This did not like the culture, tradition and custom of Indians. British considered Indians as a barbarians because of the social evils in India. Some of the social evils are as follows. Sati. Sati was a social evil in where a widow was forced to burn herself on the funeral pyre of her husband. It was banned in 1829 by William Bentinck on the insistence of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Child marriage. Child marriage on the age of 1 or 3 years was banned in 1891 and again in 1829. The Sada Act of 1929 was fixed the age of 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys.
Very good, hers. Now clap for yourself. You all have attempted in a very well manner. Okay, thank you all.